Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to change the display to replace the display of iPhone X and the new one. You can see the phone, the front glass is just broken, and let's see what happens. So first of all, we start from these two starting screws. I'm going to open that. And here you go. You can see the screws. These screws are a little longer than the screws of iPhone 6 and 7. So, and the same vacuum section pump, I'll use it to open it. Sometimes it doesn't work on the phone when the display is just too much broken, so it's not working as I thought. So I think I should use the ordinary opener which I use for the phone. And after that, you're gonna slowly just open it, because as you can see that it's gonna give you some hard time because these phones are waterproof. I am doing it a little carelessly because I know that this display is broken. So if you want to change something else and want to open the phone, don't do it like this. Then you'll have to be a little careful that you don't break the glass. So here you go. The glass is broken. And be careful, do not open it like when you used to open iPhone 6, because in these phones we have the display cables in this side. So first thing first, you just turn the phone off. Now the touch is not working. So let's go for that. So the first thing we have to do is to open these particular screws in the shield so that we can get the access inside. And we need a screwdriver which is used in iPhone 7s, the 3-pin. First one is opened. Second one is opened, and third one I'm gonna open it. The fourth one, you can see it is under this strip, so be a little careful to do that. And it's open. And try to remember the screws position. You cannot just put any screw in any place. The first two screws, as you can see, this screw and this screw is bigger than these two screws. So now I will try to remove the shield. I miss a screw over here. I have to put it out. It's out. And now we are ready to go, I think. And the screws are open. Just be careful with these expensive phones. So here is the shield. It's opened. And carefully take it out. Now the first thing you have to do in every phone, as I told you before in my before video, that the first thing you're going to do is to disconnect the battery line, that you don't create something like a blunder that could make a big problem for you. So it's better to disconnect the battery connector. Here it is. I have already disconnected it, so now you can go. This is the first one. the second one, it's been removed. And the third one, you can see it over here, it comes over here, so I have pulled it out. Now the display is free from the platina or the motherboard. So guys, that was it. You don't have too many things to be removed like in iPhone 6 and 7. You just need to remove the front herring part and the 2 screws over here. It's again the 3 screwdriver, you have to use it, not the 4 pin. First one and the second one. So it's now free to be removed. Now here you go. As I told you that this phone is waterproof, so you will have a lot of things which is sticked. So here I will use a little heat. To remove the sensors, and now you can see that it's removing. If you don't have this particular machine, professional machine, you can also use a hair dryer. It can help you with that. So here you can see, and this is a new display which our boss ordered it from eBay. So let's see what happens. I'll have to remove these camera sockets. The first one, and now I don't think it will be removed easily, so I'll have to heat it up a little more. And while doing this process, please don't rush. You'll have to be very careful, because a small mistake can be a very big problem. Let's remove, and now I'll have to place it in the new display. Very easy to use. That's it. It is placed. So now the second thing is the sensor cable. You can see it clearly. It is the sensor cable which I just removed. Now I will try to put it back. So let's see what happens. It is a bit sensitive part of the phone, so I have to be a little careful. It's better I do it over here. Just put it on its place, so it won't be as difficult as it is. So here you go. It is fitted. Sensor in this plastic cover, and now it is fitted. And here you can see that the 2 screws we just removed, we are gonna put it back. screwdriver is a little tricky. And whenever I do something, I don't want to make a video too long, but I'll have to do it carefully, so it will take a little more time. So just watch it carefully till the end so you can learn the best and do the best. So that's it. Now you'll have to put it back. So guys, this is the Mr. Phone laboratory, and we are doing it. Here you go. The first clip is being placed on its place, and the second one is also placed in its place. Now the third one. Which will be put it back on the place it was. As I told you that this one is a little tricky, so you'd have to be careful with that. Any phone we fix, we do a lot of research on that before doing it. So anything you want to do it yourself, you have to do a little research on that, so that you can do it without any mistake. And if you did any mistake, so it means you're gonna kill your phone. So it's better if you have the possibility, you can bring the phone to professionals. If not, then watch the video till the end. So here you go. Now I'll have to put the shield. And here is the shield, and before putting the shield, now I will just connect the two, the charging cable and the battery connector. So before putting the shield on, I will have to check the phone. So here I'm going to turn it on, and you can see the phone is turned it on and the screen is being replaced successfully. Now the next thing is put the shield back on its point and the two screws. That's it. You don't need to do anything. And enjoy, and please like and subscribe our video. And if you have any problem, or you are living in Germany, in Frankfurt, so you can come to Mr. Phone. You're always welcome. Thank you so much.